If you want your Discord server to look way more professional, instead of sending long messy invites link like discord.gg/abcd123, what if you could just say join us at exampledomain.com? That sound awesome, right? Well, the good news is you can do that by connecting your domain to your Discord invites using just few steps. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn your domain name into a custom invite link for Discord. For that, you don't have to need any coding experience. So let's get started. Simply open Discord and go to your server. Right click on the server name, invite people, and click edit invite link and set it to never expire. Then copy the invite link. It will look like something discord.gg/yourcode, and then you have to log into your domain provider like Namecheap, GoDaddy or Cloudflare. Then go to the domain DNS settings, look for the section called redirects or URL forwarding. If you are using Cloudflare, then go to simply rules, page rules, click create page rule, enter your domain name, then set the rule to forward URL, then 301 redirect, paste your Discord invite link there. You can also add your www.version and same then Discord link. And if you use any subdomain like discord.yoursite.com, then in DNS settings you have to add a CNAME record, which will be name for Discord, target for your domain.com, and then set up redirect from your domain to your Discord link like we just did above. Now people can type in your domain as subdomain or direct domain and get straight to your server. And by following these steps, you have just turned your domain into a clean, easy to remember invite link for Discord, which is perfect for websites, business cards, or even you just want to make your server look next level legit. So if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more tech videos like that. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.